Here's the truth about the trades. We're high achievers, lifesavers, the backbone of our economy. We're the ones keeping the lights on, the water flowing, the temperature just right, businesses running, buildings rising, our community growing. We've got skill, know-how, technical savvy, and if you're up for it, we could use your help. You'll work hard and you'll get rewarded. Pay is solid and gets better with experience. Student debt, not an issue. You can earn while you learn and come out career ready. Training is available right here at home. You can start in high school and go from classroom to career. And with the right skills, you'll be in high demand anywhere in the country. But why would you want to leave? Fort Wayne has been named one of the best communities in the nation for skilled workers. We're the fastest growing community in the Great Lakes region, attracting $1 billion of private investment in downtown Fort Wayne since 2009. We're attracting people and businesses like never before. They're bringing jobs to town, and they need builders, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, production workers. They need you. So if you're ready to learn, ready to grow, ready to take control of your future, visit your guidance counselor and say, I want a career that's made by me.